What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You know, in this video, just me really vibing, doing like my normal stuff, y'all. So I went to treatment, still coming along with this Achilles injury. 5 months, woo! 5 months, and you really seeing the work that I done put in earlier on during the injury really showing up now and continue to getting strong, because I just had treatment today and my legs are done for. We cranked up the volume. It's Monday, so it really set the tone for this week, and I'm excited about like team going forward and stuff with this Achilles injury. But me really recording a lot in treatment, I get to go back at my old videos and see like how far I done came from not be able to walk, just doing toe crunches and marble pickups for a while. I think it was about a month or so. And then to where I'm at now, running, changing direction, jumping, man, it's amazing seeing that stuff. So let's get into this video. y'all enjoyed this video, man. Please like and subscribe. And I got a mic, I think it was 2 weeks ago, and I got to figure out like how to use it. But I got that, I shot one clip of it. My audio was not there at all. Trying to redo it, man. So many more videos to come. I got a lot of ideas that's really gonna flow with the themes of this video. But yeah, see y'all next video. Peace.